So, as shown on screen now, I went to film the first Mariyung D-set service on, I'm pretty sure it was the 3rd of December 2024, and my camera decided to wipe all the footage. However, my brother was also there next to me filming the exact same angles with his iPhone 6, and he promptly sent me his clips for me to use in the video. It's been about 10 months since then, and this video is finally out. The reason for it taking so long? Uh, uh.
The train at platform 1 goes to Central via Strathfield, Strathfield, then Central.
Within